We would be talking about UNDP. You all know, if we talk about any NGO, before going for any project proposal, what it does is it goes for overall survey of the region. Then it goes on to propose that what are the development things can be taken, or what are the problems in that region, and then it would suggest those to the funding agencies. And when there is an approval of the funding agency, then it goes on to proceed with the project plan and all. So we would be discussing about it. Let's begin with the topic. One such agency that goes global and all out to provide resources and support to the poorest and developed region for the further development of communities is the UNDP. It stands for is United Nations Development Program. So what is it has offices around 170 nations of the globe and takes up projects across different geographical locations pertaining to different dimensions of overall development of the communities. Since it is one of the biggest funding agencies for development projects across the globe and many projects up and running across our country, it is imperative to develop an intrinsic idea about UNDP. Its vision, mission, as well as the goals of the organization are towards the development of an area. So let's talk about the futuristic goal of UNDP. This lists out the key futuristic goal developed by the UNDP, and any projects within the ambit of the 4 blocks is easy for gaining an approval. On the lines of these blocks, the project that can be developed are basically projects for skill training and skill and infrastructure development that would come under an initiative of reduction of poverty. For projects to develop institutional capabilities, policies and leadership skills, it is required that the project have a scope for the inclusion of beneficiary communities to contribute not only by the resource means, but also by means of resource utilization and equitable distribution policy. The project proposal must include a clear-cut exit policy for the project implementing agency at the end of handholding period, as well as providing grounds for the community to build capacity to host the project themselves. This would help them ascertain skills of leadership as well as partnership skills with others in the group to administer the project with the support of each other. Lastly, one of the most vital steps of a project is for it to have a sustainable life beyond the point of execution and drive by financial push from the funding agency as financial viability of the project. This project is one of the vital stakeholders of the longevity of the project. Thus, a source of financial inflow has to be established and made clear as a part of project proposal itself. Any project developed needs to address the following 4 quadrants simultaneously, apart from making sure that the project is unique with respect to its goal for achievement, and it has to have a strong fundamental groundwork supporting the cause of project. The project also needs to be provided with the methodologies adopted during the research for the viable projects to be taken up, and how did the project management organization zero down on a single project. The project in turn needs to be viable and equally feasible multiple alternatives to reach to the outcome.